What's going on, YouTube Metal Complex here, and welcome to another short little unboxing. Pretty excited about what's in this box here. This was sent to me by my good buddy Spirited Whiskey, so can't wait to get into it. As usual, if you'd like your own somebody told me, they were like, you've got a bunch of videos saying, you know, if you want a Rainbow Lady to see, I've got a link in the description. And then they were like, but there's no link down there. I had accidentally removed it. And so anyways, the link is back. You can find this down there right after where it shows, I think it's like after it shows my favorite budget knives. There's a whole bunch of stuff down there, guys. There's the Rainbow Lady of the Sea. There's the Torx set, the magnetic driver. There's popular EDC knives, all of the knives I use, size comparisons. There's my favorite budget knives are down there. There's everything. I say it in every video. Whatever your itch is, you can certainly, it can be scratched by taking a look at my description there, so feel free. Along with, I think, probably a version of this. Ooh, look at that old school Benchmade box. What could this be? I'm sure the thumbnail gave you a hint. Looky there. So a lot of you remember, now wait a sec. Spirited, I thought you said that this was a mini. This isn't a mini. This is the big one. This is also a rare variant of this knife. It's well, there you go. There's the exact model number. For those of you who don't know, this is an automatic out the front knife called the Infidel. This is one of, it's a special version of the, there we go, Law Enforcement Military Elite Edition, back when they were in D2. And a lot of people are like, I know how much those cost. I can't believe that's in D2. This was from a while ago. That is awesome. So I have played with these at my local Benchmade shop, which is why I'm sure you're like, yeah, you usually like freak out of it. I have a local Benchmade dealer, and every time I'm up there, I always play with an Infidel. I just do. Switchblades in general are just cool, and I know, you know, a lot of people watch YouTube channels on Switchblades because they're completely illegal. They're like illegal to own in certain areas. In Kansas, we can own them, we can carry them, whatever, you know. They're still scary. Just because it's legal here doesn't mean that, you know, it's not scary to certain people. But this is a pretty cool variant. It's got the DLC coated blade. It looks like this is completely unused. And then we have this sort of OD green setup here. I think really a lot of people really like this color scheme. This is really, really cool. I'm glad for an opportunity to take a look at it. Now, I can't provide a link for this exact version of the knife because this is a discontinued variant of it. But, you know, if you're interested in spending the kind of money it takes to buy an Infidel, I will absolutely link it down there, along with a lot of other very reasonably priced items. I like to keep stuff down there that everybody can enjoy. So anyways, guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's short little unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope it was entertaining. If you did enjoy it, of course, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.